When you want more money, do this one thing. When you have no money, this is what you do to start to bring more money into your life a lot quicker, a lot faster, and this is the first thing that has to happen if you want to manifest money. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and if you do this one simple thing, you're going to start to bring financial abundance into your life. Make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there, right there, and let's dive right into this video. Okay, before we get into this video, just got our cool new shirts on from our shop. This is a rendition on Nirvana's famous shirt, and I wanted to make a happy version of it. So we got all types of different positive clothing, all awesome designs from shirts to hoodies to all types of household items, canvases, all things designed to reprogram your subconscious and send that positive vibe out into the universe. You'll see the shop link in the description right there down below if you want to check that out. Anyways, let's get back to the subject at hand. When you have no money, do this one thing. So here's the biggest block to you getting more money into your life. You're bringing the past with you to determine your future. Can you imagine if the Wright brothers, the Wright brothers, they are the first people that were able to successfully get the airplane off the ground. Can you imagine if they brought their past with you and all their failed attempts with them? We wouldn't have airplanes right now, because they would have been like, we've tried this 7 or 8 times. This is head scratching. I don't think this is gonna work. I mean, we wouldn't have them. So what happens is we carry the past with us over and over. You've memorized the lack of money in your bank account and the emotions associated for so long it's been programmed into your brain. You know on a computer how you can drag a file into the trash bin and then you press empty trash and then it says, would you like to delete this forever? And you press, yeah, I would. And it's gone forever. Well, that's what you have to do. You have to let go of the past. You have to let go of the idea that you might be carrying around as to why you haven't gotten where you wanted to be financially. Your reason might be that you are starting to believe you're just not good enough or smart enough. That might be your reason. Your reason might be that you're too old. Maybe you think you're too young. You haven't gotten the results that you want. And then you've explained to yourself why you haven't gotten them. And that's the box that you're living in. It's time to step out of the box. You might be saying to yourself, well, the rich people have all the money, and I didn't go to the right school, and I don't have the right mentors, and I don't have the right coaches and teachers, and I have too many limiting beliefs, and the adults around me program me negatively, and I live in the wrong place, and you don't understand, it's too hard, and I'm too busy. Any reason you do not have money, you have to put in the box right now so we can press delete on it. You've got to realize that your past is no indication of your future. Your past financially is no indication of your future. There's money everywhere. There's opportunity everywhere. It has your name on it, but you keep blocking it because money has ears and it hears when you call it. Money has ears and it hears when you call it. Comment that down below. Money has ears and it hears when you call it. Comment that down below. Money has ears and it hears when you call it. What do I mean by that? Money is just consciousness. It's a manifestation of consciousness. Everything in this physical universe is just energy. It's just a manifestation of consciousness. But if you believe any of the reasons that you've told yourself as to why you don't have money. I don't have it because, and we just talked about a bunch of different reasons, and yours might even be something else. If you believe any of those reasons, you've taken infinite consciousness and you've continued to manifest lack again because you put a box on why you don't have it, and therefore whatever you believe is so you keep manifesting that. You've got to press the delete button on it, and you just have to say this instead. I don't have money because I haven't been aligned with it yet, but now in this moment I'm calling money into my life. I'm calling abundance into my life. I am programmed to attract it into my life because I press the delete button. My mind is now a magnet for money. I am a money magnet. And you just erase all the old ideas. You don't keep explaining to yourself why you don't have it anymore. And when that happens, you start to attract new opportunities. You start to think different. You start to act different. It leads to new actions. You quit procrastinating. Say to yourself, I am a money magnet. Comment that down below. I am a money magnet. Comment that down below. I am a money magnet. So now that you're taking the ability to press a delete button on your past, that means your past tax returns, your past bank account numbers, you're just pressing the delete button on it. You're not letting that control the way you're gonna think now. Because if you keep reacting to what was, you're gonna recreate the same thing. So remember this, lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. Just because you can't see the financial tide starting to change in your life doesn't mean it's not possible, and doesn't mean that this video is the video that's going to create the shift and make abundance start coming into your life. But if you're waiting to see a sign, you're always going to be waiting. If you're waiting for a check to just magically show up while you keep saying to yourself, I can't do it, this is too hard, it's not going to happen. You've got to get this in your head right now. This is a totally clean slate. Lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. You know you can blow a dog whistle and you can't hear a dog whistle? Does that mean the dog whistle isn't there, isn't real, isn't happening? No, it just means that it's beyond the energy that your senses, your ears in this instance, are programmed to hear. Similarly, you might say, well, I don't see the money. Doesn't matter. It's just at an energy level beyond what your eyes are programmed to see. It's on the way. So you've got to start saying this. Money comes to me now. Now, if you want to supercharge your ability to program your brain, because all of these things have just been memorized into the brain. If you want to supercharge that, I created an actual tool that's designed to reprogram your brain so you can attract money into your life. It's right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com. Over 100,000 people from all over the world have used it. It's pinned to the comments right there down below. And what it is a tool to reprogram your brain. Because that's the problem. It's just that the brain has memorized the same lack and limitation over and over and over again. But now you can press the delete button on it. So it's right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. You'll see it pinned to the comments, The Second Mind. I call the first mind the one society has programmed. So here's what I want you to do. Every time you notice those old limiting beliefs come up, every time you notice a rationalization why you don't have money, I want you to go, oh, that's my first mind. That's just the old record player that's been programmed in. And now you're free from it when you become aware of it. Whereas before you might hear it in your head and then you believe it. And you go, yeah, that's right, this is so hard. I can't do it, and I'm too old, and I'm too young, and I'm not smart enough, and it's too hard, and the rich people have all the money, and it's easy for them to say. Maybe you used to do that before, but now you go, oh, it's just the old programming. That's my first mind. And I want you to step into your second mind. I want you to step into the mind that you are programming for yourself, for your goals, and for the abundance and freedom you want in life. From this day forward, you're gonna guard your mind. You're gonna watch your thoughts. You're gonna take a deep breath, and every time you notice the negative programming, you're gonna be like, oh, that's just programming. It's not you. Just because there's a voice in your head doesn't mean it's you. It's just an old pattern. The word subconscious means below. Sub means below. So below conscious. It's just an old habit that's been programmed. And now once you start noticing it, you can be free from it. So right there down below, pinned to the comments, go ahead and use that right now. All that I ask you, come back and share the amazing things that happen in your life when you just do this for a couple minutes. It's right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com, pinned to the comments right there down below. And I want to remind you, life is beautiful. Great things are headed your way. Life is beautiful. Great things are headed your way. So thank you for watching this video. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com reminding you, you are not your old negative thoughts. They're just programs happening in your head. And when you start to become aware that they are just your first mind, you can be free of them. And when you are free of them and you remind yourself, in this moment is all that matters. You're a divine being. Money is infinite, endless. Prosperous opportunities come to you. You are good enough, smart enough. You are a money magnet. Money is headed your way now. It is exciting. You're grateful for what's in your life now and excited for what's coming. That's the shift that starts to happen. So right there down below is thesecondmind.com, right there down below, pinned to the comments. Make sure you like this video there, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification on this side. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. I don't know why YouTube does it, but unless you hit the bell notification, you don't get notified for new videos. So make sure you hit the bell notification right over there. And then have an absolutely fantastic day. Take a deep breath in and out. One more deep breath in and out. Now say to yourself, I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. Say it to yourself. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. Say it to yourself. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. Take another deep breath in and out. One more. Deep breath in and out. Then say to yourself, I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way. Say it again. I am a money magnet. Great things are headed my way.